Hey there gamers! In this video I'm going to show you how to learn the Inscription skill in Gothic 1 Remake. Learning the Inscription skill allows you to craft scrolls from the inscription recipes you find during your journey. To learn this easily in the early part of the game, first head to the Orc territory in this area. Go inside and immediately turn left while making sure to avoid the Orcs. Keep following this direction and you'll find a cave with a chest inside that contains 3 sleep scrolls. Now head to the swamp camp as shown here on the map. At this location you'll find an NPC named Balkadar. Cast a sleep scroll on one of his listeners and this will allow you to talk to him. After that, you'll be able to learn the Inscription skill for 10 learning points and 100 ore. And that's how to learn the Inscription skill in Gothic 1 Remake. Please do drop a like and subscribe, it really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.